Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having Jolibee, my freaking favorite. I honestly just had it a couple weeks ago, but I was craving it again, so let's dig right in because I'm starving. There's just something about the cheesy yumburger that I'm just like obsessed with, even though it's just really simple, but yummy as heck. And then I got a 2-piece as well as mashed potatoes for a side. I am kind of worried that this isn't enough food because I do order way more than this, but I'm trying to really kill it all and also have you guys focus on just, this amount of food. But I'm just playing around with how much to eat and how much food I should get. First bite. Okay, I got a little paranoid thinking about if I even pressed record because that's the mukbanger's worst nightmare. So I felt like if I didn't check, I would just be not focused the entire time. But okay, that first piece was freaking amazing and it really validated my choice of getting Jolibee. Yumburger. For some reason, I just love Jollibee's mashed potatoes. It honestly just tastes like the freaking potatoes you make in a bag, but it's so good. Yep, I'm gonna do this. Oh, oops. The garbage people are here. I hope you guys don't hear them. It's pretty loud. Pineapple quencher, their best drink there. Oh, a lot of you guys have been wanting me to do first sip. So I'm gonna incorporate that from now on and just try to remember to do it each time. First sip. It's gonna be hard because I'm not gonna just sip one time. So it's basically like first gulp. So yummy. So loud. I don't know why my stomach's always grumbling while I'm putting food inside of it. Like, come on, just hold on a second. It's like my belly can't wait and it's just starving. I am eating a little earlier than I usually do because I try to eat at 11, an intermittent fast basically until 11, finish eating at 7, but something inside me just really wanted to do an early mukbang today, so I'm gonna try my best to stop eating at 6 to keep the fast, but we'll see. Lately I've been kind of lenient with my diet and schedule and fasting. I feel like the chicken is not fully breaded or like fully fried today, so it's kind of like chalky. I'm getting full, so this is like a perfect amount of food. Woohoo! I can't believe like before I was ordering like 6-piece buckets, but I just really wanted the aesthetics of the thumbnail and the video to look good. But of course I always finished it, but then like I just had a huge meal of it and I'll have to finish it again that same day, and I'm just like, excuse me. Mm-hmm. I'm eating so messy today. Mm-hmm. Oof, there's a lot of fat. It's so good. All right, mashed potato. When I was a kid, I would always like pretend I was like a cook or like a chef, and I had like a cooking show, and I would mix the freaking like mashed potatoes together and have instructions for it. I'll be like, first you put in the gravy and then you mix it all around so it's evenly coated or something like that, like by myself in the kitchen. Excuse me. And to me that was so fun. I was basically just being the main character in my world. So good. Okay, so I think this is the first time I'm not gonna rate Jolibee a full 5, just because the breading on the thigh was like really flaky. Not flaky, but it was very sticky. So I could just tell it was not fried long enough, and that was kind of like, it kind of messed with my appetite a little bit, but I did finish it either way. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time. Peace.